हमारे साथ रहने का बहुत शुक्रिया। अज़्म आलीशान जवां क़यादत का सिलसिला है, तीसरी बैठक है। हमारा पहला राउंड हो चुका है, दूसरे राउंड में 2 बच्चे अपना अंग्रेज़ी में जो स्पीच है वो कर चुके हैं। आइए यामीन साहब, अब आपको ज़हमत देते हैं, आइए तशरीफ़ लाइए और देखते हैं कि मेरीन आपके लिए क्या निकालती हैं पर्ची। वही बज़र का इंतज़ार, 1.5 मिनट का बज़र, 2 मिनट का बज़र। आइए यहाँ तशरीफ़ लाइए।
ओके यामीन, लेट्स सी कि आपकी किस्मत में कौन सा टॉपिक है। 2 मिनट अंग्रेजी में आप बात करेंगे फ्लड टैक्स पे।
Good evening to everyone. The topic that I am given today to speak on is flood tax. A few days ago, the Prime Minister said that he is going to amend flood tax on everything. The people are already been crushed by many taxes before this tax. If the government want to help the the people who have been infected by the flood, they can help by reducing their salaries, reducing in their officers. There are many ways to sort this problem out, but to have all the burden on the people is very bad thing, because the people here in Pakistan are already been disappointed by the government that is going on in these days. In past 3 years, I think, they haven't done anything for the sake of people of Pakistan. And now they are going to increase the taxes. That is going to be very bad. So my opinion on this point is that the flood tax that is going to be allocated in some days shouldn't be, because we can sort this problem out by reducing the people working in parliament, reducing their salaries. So these are my words from me.
All right. I mean, it's okay. Relax. It's all right. It is. देखिए, जब हम कहते हैं ना कि ज़ुबान पे अबूर लाजिम है, आपके जहन में ख्यालात बड़े अच्छे हैं, एक तूफ़ान है, ठीक है। आपने इस उम्र में जो बातें की वो बड़ी समझदार हैं, एक सियासी नज़र है, लेकिन जब तक ज़ुबान पे अबूर नहीं होगी वो जो सोच है वो सिर्फ तूफ़ान है और वो ऐसे इधर से उधर झटके मारे। तो ज़ुबान पे अबूर कीजिए, अबूर हासिल कीजिए और घबराएं नहीं, ठीक है। सेट, परवाह कोई नहीं। जी मेरीन फरमाइए।
I thought you did very well, यामीन। अच्छी स्पीच थी। मुझे पता है आप थोड़ा नर्वस हो रहे थे और मुझे लगता है कि उर्दू में आपको ज़्यादा महारत हासिल है बनिस्बत अंग्रेज़ी की। Having said that, you did very well. Considering कि English is your second choice language, you did very well. आपने बहुत अच्छा स्ट्रक्चर रखा। आपने कहा कि क्यों आप अगेंस्ट हैं फ्लड टैक्स के, और उसका सब्सटीट्यूट भी बता दिया कि ये नहीं तो इस तरह से कट्स हो सकती हैं, सेविंग्स हो सकती हैं, which was excellent, because इसका मतलब है कि आपका जो थॉट प्रोसेस था वो बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग था। वेल डन।
I absolutely concur. Very good points. And we could see कि भी आपका knowledge है इस subject पे, general knowledge आपका बहुत strong है, passion है, and like she said that you've offered an alternate solution, saying कि भी आप अपना expenditure कम करें, आप लोगों पे जो already इतने burdened हैं उस पे और burden क्यों डाल रहे हो? I thought it was very good.
Fantastic. Tashif Akil. You know who's next, right? आइए तशरीफ लेके आइए, फरियाल साहब।
Okay, Faryal, your chosen topic for 2 minutes in English is...
ये आप हंसना बंद करें भाई।
You'll see why. Sugar crisis.
Hello, good evening, judges. Just recently, we have heard that the sugar prices has increased from rupees 86 to 130, I guess. Well, people are really criticizing this, but I think that certainly the sugar is not our want. Like, we added in tea, so you could just decrease the amount of sugar you intake, and it's not used in like daily basis, just in tea mostly, or coffee, or if you're having sweets and stuff. But I don't think it's really necessary. You don't have guests coming over every day, so that so that we're playing safe there. It's not like it has increased the prices in salt or oil. That would have been a problem. But besides that, I don't think. But yeah, people like the poor people would need sugar, not really, because what they want is like meat and grocery stuff, like dairy products. But so that shouldn't really be an issue. So I think that's about it, because you don't really need them. And let me think. So yeah.
जी अतिया फरमाइए.
Again, I think it was weak, basically, not just because you didn't finish, you didn't have enough points. You basically had one point, which is TK, that it's not a necessity, so, is it really a crisis? I mean, I assume that is your position. But I think you could have added some more elements to that argument.
Ji, Faryal, are you more comfortable in English or Urdu? Both. Okay. I think you lost the advantage here, because unlike Yamin, who proved more in his second speech, you sort of went down a bit. एक तो content नहीं थी, आपने कोई coherent thought पेश ही नहीं किया. Secondly, you were lost for words, really. So I don't know quite what happened. Maybe you're not good at thinking on your feet, but it was a topic जो हर वक्त news में discuss हो रहा है, अखबारों में. You should have done better.
Well, thank you, Freya. अब आता है मुश्किल वक्त. हमें ना चाहते हुए भी इन 4 में से 2 बच्चों को एलिमिनेट खुदा ना खास्ता वो वाले इस राउंड से एलिमिनेट करना होगा. 2 बच्चों को हम चुनेंगे जो कि अगले राउंड में एक डिबेट फॉर्मेट में आएंगे, लेकिन उसकी तफसील हम आपको एक लम्हे में देते हैं. याद दहानी करा दूं, www.azmealishan.com. और एक छोटा सा वक्फा, तब तक हम अपने स्कोर्स थोड़ा कोलेट कर लें, देख लें कि वो कौन 2 हैं जो कि अगले राउंड में जाएंगे. हमारे साथ रहिए.